Okay, just like Costco, Sam's Club is celebrating Christmas, and they're doing it in style here. Check out some of this neat stuff here. A lot of stuff here. Wow, that's pretty neat. I like that. I like the colors and the lights. Santa comes in so many days, you just got to put the numbers in and it's good to go on your front lawn. Check that out. Yeah. There's Sam's Club here, folks. Prices are always right. You got movable reindeers here. That's your snowman. My daughter loves these snowmans. Okay, you got a wreath. I don't know how many of these things I've got destroyed on my front door due to weather. It's just so funny. You leave them out there, they just get torn up. Check this out. Trees are here. And that's a nice tree right here for $139.97. It's a little pricey, but that's a nice tree. Just the right size, you know? This one gets a little bigger here. $199.97. Oh, the frosted. My grandmother loved frosted trees. I don't know why. She loved them. They do look Christmassy. And then they get big, just like the ones at Costco. They start getting taller than a large something. And this thing's just super big. Look at that thing, it's a monster. $569.97. I think that's cheaper than Costco. Then you got cookies, all the cookies, Yum Yums. Oh my goodness. Man, I have to stay away from that stuff. But I do love them cookies. Oh, icicle lights. These are nice. Check these out. $19.97 for 18 feet a piece. So that's not bad. 43.1 feet of just standard looking lights here for $12.96. Colored or standard. Then right here you have a holiday lighting timer remote. So that's pretty cool. And that's pretty much for Christmas right now at this time.